it's your girl Selena here. Today I'm very excited to be doing this unboxing video. A company called Yeouth Skin Care, they sent me a product that they want me to try out. It's a brand new product, so they want people to try it out. And they emailed me asking me to try it out, and I said of course I would. So I'm about to unbox what they sent me. Let's see what it's about. Let's see. So this is what it comes in. So Yeouth Anti-Moisturizing Hydrating Facial Cream. Ooh, very nice. Oh, it's like, oh, it's glass. I wasn't expecting it to be glass. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is what it is right here. A little bottle. Look how cute this thing is. And it comes, I guess, with some instructions. How to use it, or I guess ingredients maybe. So, yeah, this is an important instruction and information. So this is made with shea butter, jojoba oil. I was gonna say jojoba. Jojoba oil, macadamia seed oil, and L22 liquid complex. So that's really cool. Okay, I'm excited. So prepare the skin with Yeouth Facial Toner and Yeouth Hyaluronic Acid Plus. Apply a dime-sized amount of Yeouth Moisturizer L22 over entire face and neck, including around the eyes. Allow to absorb, then fill with your favorite sunscreen. Okay, so I guess you would use this during the daytime. Okay. Oh, very nice. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, so this is like what you'd use to moisturize your face in the day, basically before you go out. Okay, I'm excited to try it. Ooh, yeah, thank you, Yeouth. Is that how you say Yeouth? I'm assuming. Yeouth. Thank you very much for sending this to me. I'm super excited to try it out. Maybe I'll make a video once I pretty much finish the bottle, or halfway with the bottle, of how I enjoy it, if I like it, if I don't like it, whatever. I'll make a review about this after, but this is just kind of an unboxing video of this product that I received in the mail from the company Yeouth Skin Care. So I will link their stuff in the description box below so you guys can get one of yours as well. And yeah, let me know what you guys think as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, my name is Selena, and I'm part of the Lily's Aid channel. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below other videos you want me to do, other videos you want Rebecca to do, and we will do them for you. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.